As is in physics today, peer review is the main obstacle for physics progress. Uh, I published an article about mass energy equivalence principle extension on superfluid space in Nature scientific reports, but article was retracted. Uh, it was a kind of luck that it passes peer review, but then after they say, they said, no, this cannot be published. We will retract this. The education of physics today is such that you have to believe that, let's say, let's take this, that the general relativity is the best model of gravity, and whatever would happen in the field that is not in accord with the general relativity is considered, for these peer reviewers, is not science. General relativity is a mathematical model only. Actually, this is a kind of mathematical philosophy. This is not basic physics. General relativity is not basic physics. The main problem of general relativity is that the curvature of space, first at all, was never proved, was never measured, that space is curved. And NASA has measured that space has a Euclidean shape. And you can publish these things only in the journals of the minor impact. You can never publish this new models of gravity in the journal that would have impact 3 or more, not even 1. Uh, and there is one additional problem here, that whatever is new in physics will never reach directly reviewers. Every journal has a kind of academic editor, which is a person that actually should not be there, because these academic editors are old people which cannot follow physics progress, and they immediately say, this we will not send in the peer review. So the younger physicists, which actually would be open and still are open for new ideas, they cannot read the paper. I have now for 2 years problem to publish uh, the results of my research, that actually Professor Penrose's singularities are wrong. There is no gravitational singularity in the universe. This is also mathematical philosophy. Penrose's gravitational singularities are not science. This is mathematical philosophy. This is not physics. And you can have everything well done, but nobody will publish this. Nobody will even allow that this will go in the peer review. This is the case. This is the case. And So then we can see on the YouTube the famous physicists are crying that there is no real progress in physics. Sure, there is no real progress. It cannot be real progress if we are not open for new things. And mass energy equivalence principle extension on the superfluid space, it's is something that has immense potential to enrich physics. And nobody want to see this. Everybody is ignoring this, and they are still playing games with this curvature of space. It seems that they will do this for eternity. It is time that we wake up and we become a little bit more sincere in physics. What makes sense and what doesn't make sense. Otherwise, otherwise, Isaac Newton will turn in a grave.